Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about question number 3. Exercise is 1B and the question is 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. So 3 part A is the number which is 50,000 more than 61253,129 is more than means we have to subtract this number from this number and the answer will be 61203,129. Now the number which is 2000 less than 39732,400 is we have to subtract this number from this one and we get a answer. Now the next question is, if 8765550 is reduced means we have to subtract, and by 7000550 the result is equal to, first we have to subtract this large number from the smallest number and we get a answer. Sorry, this is the largest number. Now the next question is 67824,729 plus we have to add this number together and we get a answer. Now the question is, if the smallest 6 digit, now the question is what is the smallest 6 digit? So this is the smallest 6 digit 000001. This is a small 6 digit smallest number and is subtracted from the greatest 7 digit number. What is the greatest 7 digit number? This is 999999 and 9. And we also know that how to write a number and we divide a number in 3 equal parts. This is a 3 first unit number, and this is a unit place, this is a thousand place, and this is a million. Now we have to subtract from the largest number to the smallest number and we get a answer, and this is our answer. Now move forward, the question number 4, add the given numbers. We just add these numbers and we know how to add a numbers. So let's do one number as a practice. 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3. And you are doing this all the question by yourself, and I know you are doing. You can do it. Question number 5, write vertically and add. Write vertically and add. Vertically means we have to first we have to write it in a form of this one, and then we add these two numbers and we get an answer. This is very simple. Now write the number which is 5,000 more than 200,45625. We add. Now this question is about addition, and we have to add the largest number into the smallest number and we get the answer. Subtract the given number, and with this is also write it in vertically, and we just subtract this number from this one. Okay, next question is, this question is very interesting. Question number 8, solve this using the international system. Find the difference between the greatest 8-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. We first know that what is the greatest 8-digit number and what is the greatest 5-digit number. This, as we know that this is the greatest 8-digit number, 999. This is a unit place. 999. This is a hundred place. 99. It is a million place. So what is the 5-digit number, greatest 5-digit number? We have to we also know that what is the 5-digit number, greatest 5-digit number. So this is the greatest 5-digit number, and now we have to subtract this the largest 8-digit number to the greatest 5-digit number. I can solve it here. So this is a greatest 8-digit number and this is a greatest 5-digit number. 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, and so on. And 9 minus 9 is 0, and this is our result and answer. Now the question number 8 part B is from the smallest 8-digit number. Now the question is, what is the smallest 8-digit number? This is the smallest 8-digit number 0000001, and this is the smallest 8-digit number. We have to subtract from the greatest 6-digit number, and the answer we will get 9000901. The answer is this. Now the second question is question number 9. Write in vertical form and subtract. We also know that how to write in vertical form. We learned it in previous lectures, and so this is very easy and convenient. This is very easy question. Okay, write the number which is 49840,328 minus 2000. We just subtract this number from this one and we get a answer. The next question is question number 11. Study the table carefully, the answer the given question. Now the question is how to solve it. Let's get started. So the question is, how many people live in Karachi and then in Rawalpindi? So how many people live in Karachi? These people are living in Karachi. The number of people are living in Karachi and then in Rawalpindi. We just subtract the Karachi people number into the Rawalpindi people number. So this is our answer. People live in Karachi, the number is of the people is this, and live in Rawalpindi this one, and we just need to subtract this number from this one and we get a answer. Now the question number B is after Faisalabad, which city has the most number of people? It means that what is the most number of people after Faisalabad? So after Faisalabad, Rawalpindi has the most number of people. Okay, understand? And this is the next part will be how many people altogether live in the city in this city and Faisalabad. So Faisalabad, we just add the number of people that is living in Faisalabad and the number of people lived in Rawalpindi. So we add these two numbers and we get answer. Like as we get answer, we add these two numbers. So next question is, what is the total population of Lahore and Rawalpindi? What is the total population of, and how to find out the total population? It's very simple. We just add the total population of Lahore and Rawalpindi like this one. Lahore and Rawalpindi. Okay, we get a answer. Now the next question is, which city has the least number of people? Which city has the least number of people, students? And Quetta has the least number of people. It is the least number of people. Okay, and now the second part is, what is the difference in population between this city and Islamabad? We just subtract this city of number of people from Faisalabad and we get a answer. Faisalabad. Okay, we get a answer. This is this one. Quetta has the least number of people and we just subtract this number from this one and we get an answer. Now the second question is last question. If the population of Peshawar is added to that Quetta, how many people are there altogether? Okay, we just need the Peshawar, population of Peshawar and population of Quetta, and altogether means we have to add these numbers and we get an answer like this one. So this is our 1B exercise. Next we will discuss about 1C exercise. Inshallah, see you later. Allah Hafiz.